The Taiex closed at a new high of 24,390 points on Thursday, lifted by gains in Wall Street. The index got a boost from a surge in TSMC shares, which soared after the company announced better than expected revenue in the first half of the year. The rise of artificial intelligence is also fueling growth in Taiwan's most valued companies. Currently, 5 out of 6 companies with a market cap of more than 1 trillion NT being directly related to AI.
You said that you don't want to wait until inflation gets all the way down to 2%. If you waited that long, you probably waited too long because inflation will be moving downward and will go well below 2%, which we don't want.
Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell expressed that inflation is receding, which seemed to be a shot in the arm to Wall Street and the Taiex, which on Thursday opened high and closed even higher. Taiwan shares closed up 382 points at a record high of 24,390 on turnover of nearly 557 billion NT. Institutional investors bought a net 1 billion NT. One day before, TSMC announced a June revenue of almost 208 billion NT, a 33% increase year on year. TSMC's first half revenue was about 1.27 trillion NT, a 28% year-on-year increase that exceeded financial predictions.
The market thinks that interest rates are very likely going to be lowered this year, and that at least had a positive effect on capital inflows. People are looking forward to TSMC's shareholders conference, and so AI-affiliated stocks, which include semiconductors and other heavyweight stocks, are all performing quite well.
With the AI hype not slowing down, TSMC rose 35 NT to close at 1,080 NT, a record high. AI PC concept stocks also saw gains. Inventec and Acer rose 4% and 2% respectively, and Kingpo Electronics, a key player in the AI server supply chain, closed limit up. The market is also looking forward to Apple's AI phone, explaining Larkin Precision's almost 3% rise.
The speed of the index's rise is picking up because capital is concentrating in these stocks. The stocks experiencing a rise are all these bellwether stocks and heavyweight stocks. Almost all of them are purely AI concept stocks.
The Taiex keeps on setting new records. Currently, 6 companies have a market value exceeding 1 trillion NT. 5 of them, TSMC, Honghai, MediaTek, Quanta Computer, and Delta Electronics, are benefiting from the rise of AI.